Salesforce Financial Services Cloud lets bankers, insurers, and advisors build trust by unifying the customer experience to grow their business and deepen customer relationships. Now, bankers, insurers, and advisors can accelerate digital transformation while delivering the personalized service customers expect, with a single view of each customer's household across channels, geographies, and lines of business, both consumer and commercial. Now, everyone across your financial institution can visualize customer relationships and related key information in one place to drive trusted customer interactions from one generation to the next, and provide a consistent customer experience across any channel. Because Salesforce makes it easy for your customers to connect with you from anywhere, at any time, with customizable communities. So you can view cases and financial goals, manage policies, and track documents to create a single source of truth for your customers, while identifying life events and areas of opportunity to drive contextual action for investments, lending, mortgage, and insurance right out of the box with the Customer 360 platform. See how to build trusted customer relationships for your financial institution with Financial Services Cloud from Salesforce.